Welcome back to the channel. Today, we explore how pineapples are processed, from harvest to perfectly canned fruit.
Endless fields of pineapples stretch across tropical landscapes. This is where a global industry begins.
Each pineapple grows slowly under controlled agricultural conditions, but reaching this stage takes careful timing and precision.
Ripeness is critical in pineapple harvesting. The color and texture reveal when the fruit is ready.
Harvesting is still largely done by hand. Each fruit is carefully cut to avoid damage.
Once harvested, the fruit moves quickly to collection points. Speed is essential to preserve freshness.
The journey from field to factory begins immediately. Delays can affect quality and taste.
Massive processing facilities handle thousands of fruits every hour. This is where raw produce becomes a global product.
The first stage begins with unloading and intake. Every fruit enters a carefully controlled system.
Initial inspection removes damaged or unripe fruit. Only the best continue forward.
Manual checks ensure consistency in quality. Even small defects are identified early.
Automation organizes the fruit for processing. Uniformity improves efficiency at every step. Thousands of pineapples move in perfect coordination. The scale of production is immense.
Before processing, the fruit must be prepared. Cleanliness is the first critical step.
Every stage is monitored in real time. Precision control keeps the process consistent. Massive washing systems remove dirt and debris. But this is only the beginning.
High-pressure water cleans every surface. Even the smallest contaminants are removed.
The fruit now enters the first stage of transformation. But before that can happen, preparation must be complete.
From this point forward, the process becomes increasingly complex, and the real transformation is about to begin.
The fruit is organized into evenly spaced rows. This ensures smooth entry into cutting machines.
Final manual sorting continues during movement. Only uniform fruit proceeds to processing.
Even discarded parts are not wasted. They are often reused for agricultural or industrial purposes.
The base is trimmed to create a stable surface. This ensures proper alignment in the next stages.
With both ends removed, the fruit becomes easier to handle. Uniform shape is critical for automation.
The peeled fruit shows its vibrant color. This is the stage where quality becomes visible.
Next, the central core must be removed. This part is too fibrous for consumption.
A hollow center is created instantly. The remaining fruit is now ready for shaping. At this stage, the fruit is fully prepared. It is now ready to be cut into final forms. The prepared fruit now moves toward advanced processing. The next stage will define its final form. Advanced sensors analyze each slice instantly. Only uniform pieces continue forward. Thickness and structure are carefully measured.
Even minor variations are removed.
Human oversight remains essential. Machines are constantly fine-tuned for accuracy. Controlled heat treatment stabilizes the fruit. This step prepares it for long-term preservation. The slices are now ready for packaging preparation. Timing between steps is tightly controlled.
Automated systems place slices with accuracy. Uniform arrangement improves final presentation.
Large-scale production runs continuously. Efficiency defines this stage of manufacturing.
Each can is filled with consistent portions. Precision ensures equal product weight.
Gentle vibration removes air gaps. This ensures proper sealing later.
The sealed product undergoes sterilization. Heat treatment ensures long shelf life.
High pressure and temperature eliminate bacteria. This process guarantees safety for consumption.
After sterilization, the pineapple cans must be cooled gradually. Controlled cooling prevents structural damage to the cans.
Cold water rapidly lowers the temperature of the pineapple cans. This stabilizes both the container and its contents.
The pineapple cans move in perfectly organized flows. Precision handling continues after processing.
Seal strength is tested manually. A secure closure is critical for safety.
Any faulty pineapple can is removed immediately. Quality control remains strict at every stage.
Drying prepares the pineapple cans for labeling. Moisture must be completely eliminated.
The surface of each pineapple can is now ready. Clean metal ensures proper label adhesion.
Labels are applied with exact positioning. Consistency is essential for packaging standards. Adhesion must be flawless on every pineapple can. Even small misalignments are unacceptable. Rotation ensures the label wraps evenly. Automation guarantees uniform presentation.
Each pineapple can receives traceable information. Batch coding ensures full product accountability.
The markings must remain clear and permanent. They track the product through its life cycle.
Sensors detect even the smallest differences. Inconsistent pineapple cans are removed. Only fully approved pineapple cans move forward. The process now approaches its final stage. The pineapple cans are now complete in form. Final packaging will prepare them for distribution.
Advanced cameras analyze each pineapple can in real time. Surface defects and label errors are detected instantly.
Light reflection revealed even minor imperfections.
Precision imaging ensures nothing is overlooked.
Rejected pineapple cans undergo secondary inspection. Some may be corrected, others are discarded.
The internal structure must remain intact. Uniform slices reflect precise processing.
Laboratory testing verifies product composition. Flavor balance is scientifically controlled.
Metal detection ensures complete safety. Foreign particles are strictly unacceptable. Every pineapple can is verified as contamination-free. This step protects consumer safety. Leak testing confirms airtight seals. Even microscopic leaks are detected. Pressure changes reveal weak seals. Only fully secure cans pass this stage. Failed pineapple cans are immediately isolated. They are prevented from entering the market. Approved pineapple cans continue as a unified flow. The process now shifts toward packaging. Grouping prepares pineapple cans for bulk packaging. Arrangement must remain consistent. Every pineapple can has passed rigorous testing. The final stage is now within reach.
The journey through processing is nearly complete. Packaging will prepare the pineapple cans for global distribution.
The final stage begins with packaging the pineapple cans. Everything is now ready for distribution.
Robotic systems handle the pineapple cans with precision. Each box is filled with exact quantities. Arrangement inside each box must remain uniform. This ensures stability during transport. Boxes are formed and closed in a continuous flow. Automation keeps the process seamless. Each box is securely sealed. Protection during shipping is essential. Compression ensures the boxes maintain their shape. This prevents damage during stacking.
Shipping information is applied to every box. Traceability continues beyond the factory. Each box carries unique identification. This allows tracking across global supply chains.
The packaged pineapple cans are now grouped for bulk handling. Efficiency increases at this stage.
Robotic systems stack boxes with accuracy. Balanced loads ensure safe transport. Wrapping secures the entire load. It protects against movement and contamination. Multiple layers provide added stability. The load becomes ready for handling.
Heavy equipment moves the finished goods efficiently. The process now shifts to storage.
Warehouses store massive quantities of product. Organization ensures quick distribution. The pineapple cans are prepared for shipment. Timing is coordinated with logistics schedules. Each load is secured inside transport vehicles. Stability during transit is critical.
Distribution begins as trucks prepare to depart. The product is now ready for global markets.
From factory to destination, the journey continues. These products will reach consumers worldwide. What began as raw fruit is now a finished product. The transformation is complete.